Hi, my name's Paul and I'm the Director of Transform Water. In this video, I'm going to be addressing a common question, which is, why is my rainwater tank pump making a loud noise? There's two main reasons that I come across as to why this happens. The most prevalent is generally due to a lack of maintenance on the tank. Specifically, when I mention maintenance, I'm talking about getting a tank vacuum done. So what is a tank vacuum? A tank vacuum is pulling out the sludge which sits at the bottom of the tank. The sludge starts off as dust and debris that settles on the roof of the house and then washes into the tank after rain. Over time, this can build up quite thick. Now, the problem that rainwater tank pumps have is that they're just that, rainwater pumps. They're only designed to suck and move clean rainwater, not to move sludge. In this rainwater tank that's set up, you'll see here that there's an excess of sludge already at the bottom. This pump system that's here has a controller up top and the pump down low. This here is called the float switch. This floats as the water level floats up as well. As it reaches a vertical position, the pump turns on. Prior to that, when there's a demand for water inside the home, the pump will not turn on and the system will allow mains water to flow into the home. When this float switch is up, that's when the pump will activate when there's a demand for water. But the problem is, if a tank isn't cleaned regularly and there is a build-up of sludge, just like in here, that sludge can damage the pump and the controller permanently. The noise that comes out of a pump is usually a result of the dirt that's damaged the mechanism of the pump and the controller. Sometimes, if a pump has been installed incorrectly, but a tank has been cleaned, a pump can actually disconnect from the bottom to the top. And usually it looks something like this. When it's disconnected, the pump can fall and lean against the wall of a tank. If it's done that, the pump more than likely will not shut off. Over time, the pump will overheat. Eventually, this can lead to what's called electric motor burnout or electric motor fusion. The sound that comes out of the pump is exacerbated when the pump is leaning against the wall of a tank and continues to run. If you've got a steel tank and this happens, the sound can be amplified even more. If you're unsure about what to do in this case, simply unplug the power of the pump and call a professional. We're here to help all the time and we work all across the state. We can help you if this problem happens. Don't ever try to get into the tank on your own. It's dangerous and only should be attempted by trained professionals. We've done this for years, and in nearly all cases, not even we go inside a rainwater tank to clean it out. We can do it from outside safely, quickly, and effectively. If you find that your pump is making a loud noise, and it's not a submersible pump system like this, but an external pump system, the problem in effect is the same. In most cases, the pump has drawn water from the bottom of the tank, and in which case has inadvertently sucked up the sludge that's at the bottom of the tank. Rainwater tank pump manufacturers very clearly set out in their warranty policy that if a pump sucks up dirt or sludge that's in a tank, they will not honour a warranty claim. It's important you stay on top of tank maintenance for this reason. Whether you have a submersible pump like this or an external pump that sits outside the tank. If you need help with your rainwater tank system, please get in touch with us via our website.